Hi guys, so here is my Dress My Craft gems kit of April month. So the first product I received is the heat embossing gun, that is the new launch, and it is used for embossing, drying paints, glues, etc. It also used for shrinking plastics like shrink ring, and it is also used for paper, fabrics and much more. It also used for resin artwork too. So it comes with a shield cover for your safety, and it comes with a metal stand that you can see right now on the screen. It also have a dual temperature setup, so it's a best tool and the color is just beautiful and perfect. So the next item is this tweezer. This is not a normal tweezer, this is heat resistant tweezer. It has extremely sharp ceramic tip to pick up small gems and beads and etc. stuffs. The another item of the kit is this finger ring to create beautiful jewelry. Next is the bomb item of the whole kit, that is a shrink ring. It is a new launch from Dress My Craft. The pack contains 20 sheets and the size is A4 size. It has 20 unique colors. The sheet has a glassy finish from one side and matte finish from another side. You can create beautiful jewelry, rakhi and lots of different items from this sheet. As the sheets are colorful, you will not need any other medium of color. So this is the best item of the whole kit. Next item is this large funnel tray. You will also get to see a small size in the Crafters Corner website. This funnel tray is great for heat embossing and glitter, pearl beads, etc. stuffs to keep your charms and embellishments in one place. Now no more wastage and no more spilling, as it says.
That was it for this video. I really hope you have liked this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become a part of our small crafty family. Thanks for watching.